Hey everybody, I'm Chef Maria, the Fit Foodie with EatCleaner.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make fruit jerky. Now you probably had beef jerky, turkey jerky, maybe even salmon jerky, but you can do the same thing with fruit. And so I've got some peaches, some plums, some nectarines, some apples going in my dehydrator. Now this is made by Ronco, which they've been around forever. And I love this dehydrator because basically you can transform your fruit into something natural, a perfect snack. You can even add it to other combinations like some nuts and make your own trail mix. So I've got all of my fruits going in here. It takes anywhere between 8 to up to 24 hours, just depending on the fruit, to suck all of the moisture out of it to get something that looks just like this. And the great thing is you're doing it at home, you're doing it economically without adding any chemical additives or colors which you might find in the store. Now, the trick is before you put it in the dehydrator, you just want to squeeze all your fruit with a little bit of lemon juice to help prevent it from turning color. And it's as easy as that. Pick up a dehydrator, make your own fruit jerky, get the kids involved in the kitchen, and you can be eating clean every single day. I'm Chef Maria, the Fit Foodie. Make sure you check out all of my videos, and I'm here to help you eat cleaner and get leaner. So stick around.